Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dropbox Paper feature step by step. Dropbox Paper is a collaborative workspace where you can create documents, take notes, assign tasks, and work with your team in real time. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox. Sign into your Dropbox account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Dropbox homepage, click Create in the left-hand menu. From the list of options, select Paper Document. If you don't see this option, click More or open Dropbox Paper from the app launcher depending on your account. A new paper document will open automatically. At the top of the page, enter a title for your document. Then click anywhere in the document and start typing your content. You can add headings, bullet points, checklists, tables, images, videos, code blocks, and more. To insert additional content, type a / to open the paper command menu. From there, choose the type of content you want to add. If you want to collaborate with others, click the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite, choose whether they can edit or view the document, then click Send. Everyone you invite can work on the document together in real time. Any changes are automatically saved as you work. And that's it. You've successfully created and used a Dropbox paper document. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Dropbox tutorials, collaboration tips, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.